Howdy y'all, I'm pretty excited because today we're going to be fixing and modding this Dreamcast. It is my second Dreamcast. I picked this one up at one of my local retro video game stores for about 50 bucks because the disk drive doesn't work. I still got my good working one right here. I've been wanting to mod this one, but given that the disk drive in this one works, I haven't really been wanting to do a disk drive replacement. But in one where it just says it spins then stops, this is the perfect candidate. So I got the GDEMU kit right here. We'll be installing that. And then I also bought a replacement shell so we can get a cool transparent plastic one. Not red this time, going blue because Sega. Now, before I tear this thing apart, let's just verify that the disk drive doesn't work. Also something I'm trying out. I haven't actually tried out this adapter yet, so let's see how good that is. This should allow me to actually hook it up directly to the capture. Probably also need to do the clock replacement on this too. Got my Dreamcast controller. Let me go ahead and turn on the extra monitor that we're gonna need, and let's see what happens. There we go, it works. I just had to plug it in more. Yeah, the AV port on the Dreamcast, you really gotta plug it in there. Okay, we'll just pretend it is 1998. All this is looking fine. All right, let's go ahead and put a disc in. We'll go with Quake 3 Arena. Well, doesn't seem like it's working, and I keep hearing it starting and stopping, so I guess this is accurate. That means we also have a perfect candidate for a disk drive replacement. I won't feel bad about this at all. Go ahead and power that down, get my game back. That's gonna be important. And we can begin our journey. Just gotta remove this stuff here. There we go. Well, first things first, we're gonna have to disassemble this, and we can start transplanting this inside of our fun new shell. Ooh, it's like Sonic blue. So here's our new Dreamcast shell. I am thinking though I'm going to not use this and actually use the original one on there, because I think that'll look just slightly better. And I also think I want to reuse the original power buttons on that. Well, we're gonna need to start taking this thing apart before we can put it in. It's like a Lego kit. We're gonna go ahead and remove the modem. There we go. Oh, and if anyone's curious, this particular one is a VA1 unit. So this one is more compatible with the GDEMU. I know it also works with the 01, but you gotta put in some resistors for that. So thankfully, this one's compatible and requires the least amount of work. Come on. There we go. Come on, come on. Give it to me. Well, I imagine this battery is going to need to be replaced, and while we're in here, we might as well replace this fuse since I broke it on the other one. We'll just do a little bit of maintenance there as well. So let's start by removing the drive. Yo, these capacitors actually look really good, and this Dreamcast is actually surprisingly clean for being broken. This one did not come from the bug bin, and since this power supply does work, we're just going to be reusing the power supply instead of replacing it with a USB-C one. The drive is just connected with this kind of style pin. That's pretty cool. Well, there's the back side of the Dreamcast. And take this out while we're at it. Now the Dreamcast is fully disassembled, we can start putting our new replacement shell in. Let's see, gonna use the controller port from the original. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna like how that looks a lot better. Very Sonic. The Dreamcast is a lovely little guy. You know, as a kid, I was always kind of just Sega, whatever, because I don't know, I was more of a Nintendo kid. But as an adult, my opinion of Sega has been going up, especially with their retro hardware and their lineup of games and stuff. I mean, some of my favorite franchises right now are Persona and Yakuza, and granted, both those franchises, as we know them today, didn't exist until, well, after they got out of the hardware game. But it's stuff like this that's making me want to go back and check the catalog they had before. It's also wild just how easy it is to just move things around on this console. It's very compact, very well built. Oh, I probably should have put this in before I did that. Ah, dang it. Oh, that also means I used the wrong screws here too. Darn it. There I go off doing a little tangent thing, and I end up getting something wrong. At least luckily for me, I think these screws are somewhat similar. Whoops. While I'm at it, let's also just fix this real quick. Yeah, man. Come on out, buddy. You can do it. Dropped on that. There we go. This is looking pretty good. Well, we got a little bit of work you should do on this while it's out. I think it was it this resistor, not that resistor? Well, I mean, we're definitely gonna need to remove the battery. Well, I've marked the pins in red that I'm gonna need to desolder, so let's get to desoldering. I'm gonna introduce a little bit of new solder to each of these joints just so it mixes with the other one to try to make it easier to pick up. Well, it's been removed. Well, with that all taken care of, let's just put the drive back in for right now, just to verify that everything works and that I didn't somehow break it while transplanting it. And well, if we set this to today's date, that should persist through boots now. Sweet, that's looking pretty good on my end. So next step will be to fix the GDEMU. So I haven't looked at many tutorials for this, so I'm kind of going into it a little bit blind. But from what I understand, it should be relatively plug and play. I think I have everything I need right here in this box. I also got this to match the color, which is pretty nice. Oh, it came with an 8GB SD card? Oh, sweet. This should be the extender for the board. And this is the board itself. That looks correct. And I guess this would go in like so. And we put it in here. When I place that in there, these two smaller screws should be helpful for keeping the SD card extender in place. Now that shouldn't budge. Yep, that's good. Ah, that's why we have 2 extra screws, because it helps line those up. But that makes sense. Well, that makes it a lot easier. I'm very curious what's on this SD card, because I did not recall that I was going to be getting that. Not going to need those screws. Those ones will come later, but let's go ahead and replace these buttons here real quick. That's looking pretty good. And in this bag should be the sticker. Yep, you could either go with blue, or we can go with orange. So I'm thinking we go with that one just because of the contrast. I also got a kind of matching Mad Cat see-through controller that would be good to go with this, but for now I'm gonna use the default controller because we're still in the testing phase. Oh, well, help if I flip the switch. Okay, let's see what happens. It's booting something. Oh, okay, so this is the GDEMU menu. It looks like this came with Soul Calibur, Dead or Alive 2, Spawn in the Demon's Hand. Ooh, Crazy Taxi 2. The Japanese version of Crazy Taxi 2, apparently. Oh, I love what they did here. Oh, my car's not driving so well. All right, let's go. Excuse me, get in my car. Oh man, I am not good at Crazy Taxi. I need to get a lot better at this game. Ah, dang it. Let me go ahead and turn the music all the way down. That way we can actually like hear what's going on. All right, let's go for it. Get in, not too far away. Woo! Oh gosh, why'd I do that? Oh no, there we go. I mean, I kind of made it in time. All right, get in. We're going to the jeweler's shop. All right, where's that? Oh, the other way? All right, here we go. We're just gonna, excuse me, pardon me. All right, cool, perfect. Woo! Oh, cool, I jumped over a car. Yeah, like, get it, all right, I get out. What do you mean being slow? I had fun. All right, we're gonna go with this one over here. Wait, are these a bunch of mimes? Oh, what? I gotta take 3 of them? Okay, woo! Just gonna bunny hop over there. Yeah, why not? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Wait, why are they talking? They're mimes. All right, get out. Oh no, I got the 2 other ones. I don't think they're gonna get there in time. Oh, well, we do got the spot over there. Okay, we can at least drop off another one of these guys. Now, where's that? What? The last one was farther away? Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, buddy, but you're gonna have to get out. Leave. University's 2 kilometers away. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna get there in time. Yeah, I'm sorry, Chief. There ain't no way we make it to the university in the next 4 seconds. I got $800. This is made in 2011. This is made in 2000. What's Boot Dreams? Oh, this is a bunch of Neo Geo stuff? Choose a game. Japanese. Let's do a Robo Army. Well, I didn't realize that when I bought this, it was going to come with an SD card that had all this on it. Yeah. The graphics on this are pretty nice. Punch, punch. Ah! Stop it. I died pretty quickly. Fellas, I'm not doing too good. Is that a dog? Oh, no, the dogs are bad. No, why would they do that? And the dogs also killed me. Oh, what's Ghetto Pong? Oh, wait, what? I guess this is more emulator stuff? Super Mario Classic Collection with Dance Dance Mario Mix. What is with this bootleg stuff on this card? Okay, oh, this is like an NES emulator, I guess, then. Oh, Adventures of Lolo! These are great. Oh, we can see the boxes for them. Oh, and the cartridge, all right. Oh, this has so many games. Oh, man. Okay, well, let's do Castlevania, I guess. Well, this is not what I was expecting to be playing on here. Yeah, so this thing apparently comes with an NES emulator on it with a bunch of NES ROMs. Questionably legal. I don't know how well it's coming across like on the capture, but on the normal monitor, it's coming across pretty well. Ah, dogs again. No, bad dog. Ah. Well, dang it. Well, I didn't expect all of that to come with this, so I guess now I have a new SD card with a bunch of games that I probably shouldn't have, but okay. Well, the kit's nice, the adapter's nice, and I like the shell. I'm pretty impressed with how everything came out, and I'm now realizing I forgot to put the last few screws on. I guess I'll just put those on and wrap up the video. I want to do some more Dreamcast stuff soon. Pretty soon I want to try doing like the Dream Pie stuff, get this thing online, but I've been really liking this console. This thing is so underrated. But let me know if there's any other Dreamcast stuff you'd like to see in the future, because I'd love to keep doing it. Well, if you enjoyed this and want to see more projects in the future, considering supporting me on either Patreon, YouTube memberships, or Ko-fi, it helps me fund projects and try out new things. I got the links for those down below. I don't like asking for help, but I would much rather be community funded than anything from corporate sponsors. So I ain't gonna be doing a sponsored video, that's for sure. But that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all.